Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. And today we're on the last stop of the RV Road Tour. We are here in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Z-Max Dragway for the 4 Wide Nationals. And I'm here with special guest, Papa Tom. Let's go see what they got in here. Come on. Well, I couldn't come here without buying a souvenir. I got me a shirt. You may wonder why we did a donut and diner stop at the drag strip. Well, even if you don't like drag racing, check out all this food behind me. Come on, let's go look at it. Look at this. We've got ice cream. We've got hot dogs. Hungry Howie's Pizza. I see Texas barbecue. There's so many things on this side, I can't even tell what all they've got. But you know what I feel like? I think I want a funnel cake. Okay guys, I found the funnel cakes. Of course I've got the old classic, but we can't just go plain. Cookies and cream, strawberry delight, cinnamon cream cheese, deep fried Oreos. I think I may go cookies and cream. That sounds good. Let's see what that's like. Awesome, thank you. Look at that. Oh, here it comes. Oh, look at that. Okay guys, look at this. Oreos, the drizzle, oh, and the powdered sugar is even covering the plate. Okay, here we go. We're diving in. We try to get a little bit of everything. Oh my. Oh. You notice I have 2 forks? 1 fork for me, 1 fork for my wife. No, I better share it. But this is so good. I would like to eat this whole thing by myself. Patrick is the man. I'm telling you, if you want a funnel cake, he's the man. We have found a gourmet ice cream, donuts, and more food truck. I'm a little bit sad because we're here in the summertime, and I understand in the summertime they only do ice cream and not donuts. But I also hear that their ice cream is amazing. So we're gonna come up here and try some ice cream. Some cookies and cream in a cup, please. I'm just patiently waiting in line for my ice cream. Actually, I'm so excited. I'm not very patiently waiting. Our next is about to come out. Thank you. Got this ice cream here and it looks so good and I want to take a bite. Actually, I want to eat the whole thing. But we got this ice cream for none other than Papa Tom. So let's take this to Papa Tom and see how he likes it. Okay guys, I'm heading back out trackside. Very important. We just watched a name that you may have heard of. Stewart, NASCAR fame. He just won this last heat. But that's not important right now. What's important right now is this cookies and cream ice cream. Papa Tom, how is it?
It's so good it'll make you want to slap your mammy, but you better not.
Okay guys, so we have Papa Tom's seal of approval on the cookies and cream ice cream. Guys, we had a blast at the 4 Wide races, and remember, there's always great food there. All right, guys, until next time, for me and Papa Tom, we'll see ya.